Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power button and volume up at the same time, which will bring up your boot options. And from here, swipe down to turn off your device. Now when the phone turns off, you then want to hold the power button and volume down at the same time, and let go of just the power button when you see the OPPO logo. Now next you will see the language selection page, so from here choose your desired language by just simply tapping on it. And this takes us to the recovery with only 3 options. One will be being format data, which is just a straight up factory reset of the device, covered by a 4-digit 4-digit code that you just need to put in as a confirmation. And the 2 other options are just 2 ways of leaving this mode: reboot or power off the device. So I'm gonna select reboot, confirm it, and this will now bring me back to Android. And as you can see, the process is now finished, so we're back in Android. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.